So, if you're playing a Sonic CD, then you might hear the boss. You might come across a boss, but there's two different versions, which you already know because you just watched some stupid videos. There's the Japanese and American, and they both sound completely different. The Japanese has this like a cool battle theme. Like, I don't know, I don't give a crap. I don't care. And the U.S. version has obviously the horrifying music that everybody hates. That's seen in one of the horrifying images from the game. All right, which is you already know, but I don't care. Yeah. So if you play both the U.S. and Japanese versions of the boss together, well, let's find out. It sounds kind of like a challenge. Alright, but yeah. That's my investment on the Sonic CD bosses in both the US and Japan version. Yeah. This would not get copyrighted. It was just something I just thought of. It might be really cool if some person made combined both music and extended it for 21 hours. Yeah, how anybody's gonna do that?